For Florida entrepreneurs, a second Trump term will bring a mix of challenges and unique opportunities. With Trump's business-focused policies, there's potential for tax benefits, deregulation incentives that might favor certain industries and provide pathways for ambitious Florida entrepreneurs to expand. One of the most significant potential advantages will be Trump's pro-business tax stance. During his first term, tax cuts aimed at corporations and small businesses provided a financial lift, and many entrepreneurs saw lower tax burdens that freed up capital for reinvestment. A second term will likely bring similar tax initiatives, potentially allowing Florida business owners to keep more of their revenue and reinvest it into expansion, hiring, or upgrading technology. Deregulation is another hallmark of Trump's approach. In his first term, the focus was on rolling back regulations that some felt restricted business growth. For Florida's burgeoning industries like construction, real estate, and tech, a second term will mean fewer bureaucratic hurdles. This could streamline business operations, making it easier and faster for entrepreneurs to bring products and services to market or expand their footprints. For construction and development especially, deregulation could mean smooth permitting processes, which is a significant advantage in Florida's quickly growing cities and communities. Trump's America's First policy, which prioritizes U.S.-based manufacturing and labor, might also present opportunities for entrepreneurs interested in tapping into government contracts or federal grants. Business owners who manufacture domestically or provide services that align with these policies might gain a competitive edge when seeking government contracts or incentives. For real estate investors and developers, a second Trump term will mean additional tax breaks and policies that favor commercial real estate. Florida's real estate market is booming, and a favorable policy could further drive growth, especially in areas like Miami, Orlando, and Tampa, which are already seeing substantial real estate activity. Developers and investors looking to capitalize on commercial and residential real estate trends may find opportunities to benefit from continued low interest rates and favorable tax structures. Florida's international business community might find opportunities as well. Trump's second term could focus on negotiating trade deals aimed at boosting American exports, which may open doors for Florida's exporters and manufacturers looking to sell to foreign markets. If Trump follows through on his promise to prioritize American businesses in international trade, Florida's ports and export-focused companies might see increased activity, strengthening the state's role as a gateway for trade with Latin America and beyond. That said, entrepreneurs should stay informed and adaptable, as potential policy changes could also mean new challenges. For example, tighter immigration policies could impact Florida's labor supply, particularly in industries like hospitality, agriculture, and construction that often rely on immigration workers. Understanding how these changes might affect your business and preparing strategies to adapt will be crucial. Florida's entrepreneurs are known for the resilience and ability to thrive in a competitive environment. With proactive planning, Trump's second term will provide opportunities for growth and expansion, especially for those ready to leverage favorable tax structures, deregulations, and trade-focused incentives. Staying informed and consulting with legal and financial experts can help Florida entrepreneurs make the most of what could be a dynamic business environment in the years to come.